I hope you're all doing well. So I started making a Caesar salad this afternoon for dinner. Um, Here it is. But I realized that I did not have the croutons. I have the chicken for chicken Caesar salad, the lettuce, the cheese, but no crouton. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the croutons myself. That it's really simple. I've done it before, and what I'm gonna use is just regular bread. You can use any type of bread that you have. This is what I have, and this is what I'm gonna use. So let's look over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a few slices of bread into little squares. Let's do that. Let's just cut these for now, and let's see. You leave the crust. You don't have to take the crust off. You leave it on there. I'm gonna break them up. I don't need too many, so I think this is gonna be good. Okay, now I'm gonna take it apart. As much as possible. Just pull them apart. Turn up the light. More light here. I know I was missing something, and it was my overhead light here. Okay, this should do it. I think that's perfect for that amount of, for this amount of salad. That should be more than enough croutons. So I use 3 slices of bread. Okay, so I have 5 minced garlic cloves, 5 of them, and a good drizzle of olive oil, which I'm gonna put that in there. Parsley flake, whole oregano, ground oregano, powdered onion, complete seasoning, and basil flakes. I'm gonna put all that in there. So we're gonna start, turn the heat to high, and we're gonna put a good drizzle of olive oil. That should be good there. Let's wait till this heats up. In the meantime, let's put some of the seasonings. Let's put some of the seasonings in here. The garlic is going to be the last thing that I'm going to put. Onion powder, oregano, complete seasoning, and basil flakes. stir this up. Okay, now we're gonna put the minced garlic. Minced garlic. Let's fry it a little bit. Just to get all that flavor out of that garlic, the olive oil, and all the other spices. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna lower the heat a little bit, and then we're gonna put the bread in there. And we're just gonna toss this in here. Some of them are gonna get a little bit more soaked than the others with olive oil. If you want, you can add more olive oil if you like. And I'm gonna add a little bit more olive oil, just a little bit more over. And what we're trying to do now is toast it. And believe me, these taste better than the ones you buy in the store. So let's put the heat a little bit higher. Not all the way in high, but medium high. We want that bread to toast, nice and toasty. But we don't want it to burn. So a little bit more drizzle olive oil, if we have any in here. Okay, so when I take it out, I'm gonna try to take out the bread, but not the spices as much as possible. Okay, so this will do it. This will be it. Just turn up the heat, and I'm gonna take out all of the spices. So there you have it, homemade croutons. Nice and crunchy and delicious. Oh my goodness. Taste of the olive oil and the garlic and all the spices makes it delicious. And they have like a smoky taste, which is wonderful, wonderful. So we're ready to eat that salad. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch my other video. Bye bye.